Hello all, you're on Androidncomp channel. Many smartphone owners prefer to use different cases to protect the body or as decoration. Over time the case gets dirty and needs to be cleaned. In this video I will show you how to clean a case made of different materials. A link to the article and other useful materials in the description of the video. What wipes? Wet wipes are suitable for removing mild soiling. To clean the cover, it is enough to wipe the surface with a tissue once or several times. It is desirable to use tissues for office equipment or tissues for TV screens and monitors. Antibacterial wipes with 70% alcohol content will help to cope with more persistent dirt. Moisture residue should be wiped off with a dry or microfiber cloth. Soapy water. A soap solution will help to remove mild to moderate soiling. In a filled container of warm water, add a little liquid soap. Shampoo and shower gel will also work. If you want to remove grease and technical oils, then you should add a little dishwashing detergent. Next, dip the cover in the soapy solution and wash thoroughly. To remove the encrusted dirt, you can use a brush with soft bristles and clean the dirty area without excessive force. The washed cover should be rinsed in clean water and the soap solution washed off. Then dry the cover with a paper towel or microfiber cloth. Rubbing gum. An eraser for a graphite pencil will help to remove average dirt. To remove the dirt, you need to wipe the cover with the eraser without excessive force, and the resulting remnants of the eraser should be blown off or collected with a damp cloth. The same wiping gum is effective in cleaning the white cover. Product for cleaning the screen. You should spray the cleaner on the surface of the cover or apply it to a microfiber cloth. Then wipe the surface of the cover several times with the cloth until the impurity is completely removed. The remaining moisture should be collected with the dry side of the wipe. That's all I wanted to tell and show you. Share in the comments how often you have to clean and bleach your case. Also subscribe to the channel and watch other equally interesting and useful videos. Thanks for your attention and see you soon.